In 2017, Apple revealed its most ambitious project yet, Apple Park. This futuristic headquarters took 4 years to complete and cost over $5 billion, making it one of the most expensive buildings on Earth. But what makes Apple Park truly special? Let's take a journey inside this architectural marvel to uncover the innovative designs and features that set it apart. The heart of Apple Park, the Ring. At the core of Apple Park lies the Ring, a 4-story circular building that houses over 12,000 employees. It's not just a workspace, it's a masterpiece of design and functionality. Imagine walking along the building's perimeter, surrounded by curved glass panels that offer a seamless view of the lush landscape outside. This open, panoramic view is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's a reflection of Apple's philosophy of openness and collaboration. Speaking of collaboration, let's delve into how the Ring encourages an environment where ideas flow freely. Encouraging innovation through design. Apple Park was meticulously designed to encourage spontaneous interactions and idea sharing among employees. Office spaces are arranged into pods, creating an open environment where colleagues can easily connect. This setup promotes a unique balance between focused work and collaboration, though it hasn't been without its critics. Some employees found the open floor plan challenging, particularly with the glass walls and doors that blend so seamlessly into the environment. Despite these concerns, Apple's commitment to creating a space that sparks innovation is evident in every detail. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the most social spots within the Ring. Dining at Caffe Max. Food brings people together, and at Apple Park, this principle is built into the design. Instead of multiple smaller cafes, there's one large restaurant, Caffe Max, where all employees converge. Spanning 58,000 square feet, this space is designed to maximize interactions, with 4-story sliding glass doors that open to the courtyard on sunny days. And in true Apple fashion, even the pizza boxes here are patented to ensure a perfect, crispy crust. It's clear that Apple has thought of everything, but there's still more hidden beneath the Ring. The hidden parking garage. Below the Ring lies a 2-story parking garage that's as thoughtfully designed as the rest of the campus. Finished with reflective white tiles, domed ceilings, and integrated traffic lights, it allows employees to enter and exit Apple Park without disrupting the picturesque surroundings. This seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics extends beyond the buildings and into the landscape itself, which was another key focus of Apple Park's design. Let's explore the natural beauty that surrounds the Ring. The natural beauty of Apple Park. Steve Jobs envisioned a campus that would be as much a reflection of nature as it is of technology. That vision came to life with the planting of 9,000 indigenous trees across the campus, carefully selected for their beauty and resilience to drought. The courtyard within the Ring features apricot, olive, and apple orchards, alongside an herb garden. There's even an artificial pond shaped like a perfect circle, mirroring the design of the Ring itself. But nature isn't the only element that Apple has incorporated into its campus. The iconic Steve Jobs Theater. One of the most remarkable structures at Apple Park is the Steve Jobs Theater. This circular building, made entirely of curved glass panels, is topped with the world's largest carbon fiber roof. The theater, located underground, can be accessed by a stunning curved staircase or a glass elevator that rotates as it descends. It's a fitting tribute to the man who dreamed up this incredible campus and a space where Apple continues to unveil its latest innovations. Before we wrap up, there's one more public space worth mentioning: the Visitor Center, Apple Park's gateway. While most of Apple Park is off-limits to the public, the Visitor Center offers a glimpse into the heart of Apple's headquarters. This 2-story building houses an Apple Store with exclusive merchandise, a cafe, an exhibition area with a 3D model of Apple Park, and a rooftop terrace with breathtaking views of the campus. It's the perfect spot for Apple enthusiasts to experience the company's culture and innovation firsthand. As we complete our journey through Apple Park, it's clear that this headquarters is more than just a place to work. It's a symbol of Apple's relentless pursuit of perfection and innovation. If you enjoyed this video of the world's most extraordinary buildings, be sure to give this video a like. And if you want to stay updated with the latest in tech, don't forget to subscribe to High Tech 9 and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.